Thutha wa jaji wa igoti inene Ruka Kimaru gwathana atongoria 12 aria maheirwo bodi ya ciringi 100 o mundu ya kugiria guikio ngono mekinye gikaro-ini gia CID thutha wa kunyita itemi hari kuhitithio kwa Raila Odinga, ateti aya ni mekire guo.
A judge made an order that we come here. We obeyed that order.
Mubunge wa Dagoretti ya Rugongo Simba Arati, mubunge wa Embakasi East Babu Owino, mubunge wa Makadara George Ladwa, muhuri biashara Jimmy Wajige Odumwe na mawakiri matiganite ni amwe aria mekinyirie magikuwa mahe guikio ngono ihinda o riothe ona gutuika gutire wandikithirie ndumiriri o yothe na ruhonge ruu.
The police here are dealing with us most of the times as if you are guilty until proven otherwise. Now, Aladwa is next to me here. Every other day, there's a police raid on him. At the end of the day, there is nothing.
Nona gukire oguo ni moire kanya kau gukire ruhonge rwa utongoria wa bururi Odumwe na borithi ni undu wa kwagira kiene watho wa igoti.
Thing that I don't like that in this country, it has not been possible for the courts to be courageous enough to serve the president with a summons to appear before court, because in other jurisdictions it happened. Serve the deputy president, tell him how to appear. Serve the inspector general and tell him how to appear.
Hide ni ori muhuri biashara Jimmy Wajige ni arutire mukana wa guthitanga kabuni ya Nation Media Group thutha wa bica yake gucabwo ngatheti-ini ya aria kuo akiuga we arenda gwika uthuthuria wake kiumbe.
Nation Media Group yesterday issued a death promise. It was a death promise. I don't think in the history of this country you've ever seen such a thing. That somebody who is alive is in the obituary pages of nation newspapers. It's not possible. It's not possible. As I said, it's a death promise. It's a death promise. That's what it was.
Have you taken any action?
Now, what action? What action are we going to take? I have my lawyers and international lawyers who are taking on this matter against nation newspapers and Nation Media Group. But let me say this. I don't take it lightly, and I must say, it was horrific what they did.
Na macio magithiaga na mbere mutongoria wa gikundi kirutire mukana kia NRM Miguna na uria urahamurithirio nginyagia bururi-ini wa Canada ni ugite ni aguthitanga thirikari ni undu wa giko kiu.
It will happen. These people are going down faster than you can believe. Ask yourself the question, why not take me to court if you think you have evidence? You think you are the government, you have all the security, resources, you have all the money, you have all the power, the weapons. You kept me in detention in Comunicado for the last 6 days. How come you can't take me to court? Because they know they can't win.
Miguna arahamurithirio kuma guku bururi-ini Jumaine utuku na kwerekerio bururi-ini wa Canada. Ngiribotera Kameme TV. Nije taguo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.